12 incredible health benefits of cayenne pepper that nobody is talking about. Did you know there's a tiny red pepper sitting in your kitchen that can heat up your food and heal your body at the same time? For centuries, cayenne pepper has been the secret spice in countless recipes. But what if I told you it's also a secret weapon for your health? Today on Doc Nature TV, we're revealing 12 incredible health benefits of cayenne pepper that nobody is talking about. Some of these will surprise you, some might shock you, but all of them will make you want to sprinkle this fiery gem into your next meal. Let's dive in. 1. Pain relief like no other. Yes, this pepper can fight pain. The magic lies in capsaicin, the compound that gives cayenne its heat. When used in creams or ointments, capsaicin helps reduce a chemical in your body called substance P, which sends pain signals to your brain. Less substance P means less pain. Doctors even use capsaicin-based treatments for nerve pain and arthritis. 2. Soothe psoriasis symptoms. If you or someone you love battle psoriasis, that itchy, scaly skin condition, cayenne pepper may help. Topical capsaicin creams have been shown to reduce itching and inflammation, making skin calmer and more comfortable. 3. Boost your metabolism. Want to burn a few extra calories without even trying? Cayenne pepper slightly increases your body's heat production, which boosts your metabolism. It may also reduce hunger, helping you eat less during the day. 4. Improves digestion. It may sound strange, but spicy cayenne pepper can actually help your stomach. It stimulates nerves that produce digestive fluids, making it easier to break down food. It may even help protect against ulcers caused by the H. pylori bacteria. 5. Protects heart health. Studies suggest that capsaicin may calm inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation, all important for a healthy heart. While more human studies are needed, early results are very promising. 6. Shows anti-cancer potential. This is big. Early research shows that capsaicin might slow the growth of cancer in cells and even kill certain types, like prostate, skin, and pancreatic cancer cells. Scientists are still studying this, but it's an exciting discovery. 7. Packed with antioxidants. Cayenne peppers are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, plus carotenoids like beta-carotene and lutein. These antioxidants fight free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and keeping your immune system strong. 8. Great for circulation. Cayenne pepper naturally stimulates blood flow, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently throughout your body. Better circulation means more energy and faster healing. 9. Supports weight management. That metabolism boost we mentioned earlier, combine it with cayenne's appetite-suppressing effects, and you have a natural weight management helper. It won't replace a healthy diet and exercise, but it can give you a gentle push in the right direction. 10. Rich in essential nutrients. Even in small amounts, cayenne pepper delivers minerals like potassium, manganese, magnesium, and iron, plus B vitamins for energy. Just a pinch can boost your nutrient intake. 11. May reduce cold symptoms. Cayenne's heat can help clear nasal congestion and thin mucus, making it easier to breathe when you have a cold. It also stimulates circulation, helping your body fight off infections faster. 12. Versatile in the kitchen. Last but not least, cayenne pepper is easy to use. Sprinkle in soups, stews, eggs, hummus, veggies, even hot chocolate. It adds flavor and health benefits in one quick dash. A quick word of caution. While cayenne pepper is safe for most people, too much can cause stomach upset or a burning sensation. And if you're on medications like blood thinners, certain heart drugs, or stomach acid reducers, check with your doctor first. So there you have it, 12 incredible health benefits of cayenne pepper that nobody is talking about. From fighting pain to protecting your heart, this fiery spice proves that sometimes the smallest things pack the biggest punch. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another Doc Nature TV health tip. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep adding nature's medicine to your plate.